Chocolate is one of the most beloved treats worldwide, with a rich history and a variety of fascinating facts surrounding its production, consumption, and cultural significance. From its ancient origins to its modern-day variations, chocolate has a story that is as rich and complex as its flavor. If you enjoy this video about chocolate, please like, share, and subscribe. At the end of the video, please use the comment section to ask us any questions about chocolate. The history of chocolate dates back over 3,000 years to the ancient civilizations of Mesoamerica, where the Olmecs, Mayans, and Aztecs cultivated cacao trees. The cacao beans from these trees were used to make a bitter beverage known as chocolatl, which was often flavored with spices such as chili pepper and vanilla. This drink was highly prized, especially among the elite and religious classes, and it was believed to have invigorating and even mystical properties. Cacao beans were so valuable that they were used as currency by the Aztecs. They traded cacao beans for goods and services, and the beans were also given as tributes to their rulers. The Spanish conquistadors, upon encountering the Aztecs in the 16th century, were introduced to this cacao-based beverage. Although initially resistant to its bitter taste, the Spaniards began to modify the drink by adding sugar and other sweeteners, which gradually made it more palatable to European tastes. Chocolate's journey from a bitter Mesoamerican drink to a sweet European delight was transformative. By the 17th century, chocolate had become popular among the European aristocracy. It was considered an exotic luxury and was consumed as a beverage in high society gatherings. The invention of the steam engine in the 18th century played a pivotal role in the mass production of chocolate. This technological advancement made it possible to grind cacao beans more efficiently, leading to the production of smooth, consistent chocolate. The Industrial Revolution brought further innovations to chocolate production. In 1828, Dutch chemist Coenraad Johannes van Houten invented the cocoa press, which could separate cocoa butter from the cocoa solids. This process made it possible to produce cocoa powder, which could be mixed with liquids or other ingredients to create a variety of chocolate products. Van Houten's invention also paved the way for the creation of solid chocolate, as the reduced fat content of cocoa powder made it easier to mold into different shapes. The mid-19th century saw the birth of modern chocolate as we know it today. In 1847, British chocolatier J.S. Fry and Sons produced the first solid chocolate bar by combining cocoa butter, cocoa powder, and sugar. Shortly thereafter, Swiss chocolatier Daniel Peter added milk powder to the mix, creating milk chocolate in 1875. This innovation was further refined by Henri Nestlé, and milk chocolate quickly gained popularity for its creamy texture and sweet flavor. Switzerland became a major center for chocolate innovation and production. Swiss chocolatiers such as Rodolphe Lindt, who invented the conching process in 1879, contributed to the development of smoother and more refined chocolate. Conching involves grinding and mixing chocolate for hours, sometimes days, to improve its texture and flavor. This process is still used today in the production of high-quality chocolate. The 20th century saw the globalization of chocolate. Brands like Hershey's, Cadbury, and Mars became household names, making chocolate accessible to the masses. The introduction of chocolate bars, bonbons, truffles, and a variety of other chocolate confections expanded the ways in which people could enjoy chocolate. During World War II, chocolate was included in soldiers' rations, further cementing its place in popular culture. Chocolate's allure extends beyond its taste. It has also been the subject of numerous scientific studies. One of the key components of chocolate is theobromine, a stimulant similar to caffeine, which can have mild mood-enhancing effects. Chocolate also contains phenylethylamine, a compound that is sometimes referred to as the love chemical because it can trigger feelings of happiness and euphoria. Additionally, dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which are believed to have various health benefits, including improved heart health and reduced inflammation. The production of chocolate begins with the cacao tree, theobroma cacao, which grows in tropical regions around the equator. The cacao tree produces large pods that contain cacao beans, which are the raw material for chocolate. Harvesting cacao is a labor-intensive process that involves cutting the pods from the tree, extracting the beans, and fermenting them for several days to develop their flavor. After fermentation, the beans are dried, roasted, and ground into cocoa mass, which is then processed into various forms of chocolate. Sustainable and ethical production of chocolate has become an important issue in recent years. The chocolate industry has faced criticism for its environmental impact and the exploitation of labor, particularly in West Africa, where a significant portion of the world's cacao is grown. Child labor and poor working conditions have been significant concerns. In response, many companies have begun to implement fair trade practices and certifications, ensuring that farmers receive fair compensation and that ethical and sustainable farming practices are followed. Chocolate's cultural significance is immense. It is a staple of many holidays and celebrations, such as Valentine's Day, Easter, and Christmas. Chocolate gifts and confections are often used to express love, gratitude, and joy. The versatility of chocolate has made it a favorite ingredient in a wide range of culinary creations, from pastries and cakes to savory dishes that incorporate chocolate as a unique flavor component. Chocolate has also inspired various art forms and traditions. In Mexico, for example, the traditional drink, mole, is a complex sauce that includes chocolate among its ingredients, reflecting the deep-rooted connection between chocolate and Mexican culture. In Europe, chocolate sculptures and elaborate chocolate showpieces are often featured in culinary competitions and displays, showcasing the artistic potential of this beloved ingredient. The sensory experience of eating chocolate is a key aspect of its appeal. The way chocolate melts in the mouth, releasing its rich and complex flavors, is a unique pleasure. The texture, aroma, and taste of chocolate can vary widely depending on the type of cacao beans used, the processing methods, and the additional ingredients. Dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and white chocolate each offer distinct experiences, and the inclusion of nuts, fruits, spices, and other flavorings can further enhance the enjoyment of chocolate. The science of chocolate making, known as chocolatery, involves a precise and intricate process. Tempering, a critical step in chocolate production, involves carefully heating and cooling chocolate to ensure that it achieves the right crystalline structure. Properly tempered chocolate has a glossy finish, a smooth texture, and a satisfying snap when broken. Achieving this perfection requires skill and expertise, and chocolatiers often spend years mastering their craft. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in bean-to-bar chocolate production, where chocolatiers oversee the entire process from sourcing the cacao beans to making the final product. This approach allows for greater control over the quality and flavor of the chocolate and promotes a deeper connection between the producer and the consumer. Artisan chocolate makers often emphasize the unique characteristics of different cacao origins, highlighting the terroir of the beans much like wine producers do with grapes. The future of chocolate continues to evolve with innovations in flavor combinations, sustainability efforts, and new production techniques. Some chocolatiers are experimenting with alternative sweeteners, non-dairy milk options, and exotic ingredients to cater to changing consumer preferences and dietary needs. The development of ruby chocolate, a new variety with a naturally pink color and fruity flavor, introduced by Barry Callebaut in 2017, is an example of the ongoing innovation within the chocolate industry. The rise of craft chocolate has also paralleled trends in other industries, such as craft beer and artisanal bread. Consumers are increasingly interested in high-quality, small-batch products that emphasize authenticity and craftsmanship. Craft chocolatiers often work directly with cacao farmers to ensure sustainable practices and fair wages, fostering a sense of community and shared purpose. Another intriguing development in the chocolate world is the exploration of new cacao varieties. Genetic research and selective breeding have led to the discovery and cultivation of rare cacao strains that offer unique flavors and characteristics. These efforts not only enhance the diversity of chocolate available to consumers, but also contribute to the preservation of genetic diversity in cacao plants, which is crucial for the resilience and sustainability of cacao farming. Chocolate tourism has also become a popular trend, with enthusiasts traveling to cacao-growing regions and chocolate-producing countries to learn more about the history, culture, and production of chocolate. Tours of cacao plantations, chocolate factories, and artisan chocolateries provide a hands-on experience that deepens the appreciation for the complexity and effort involved in making chocolate. Education and outreach efforts are also playing a significant role in shaping the future of chocolate. Organizations and initiatives dedicated to educating consumers about the origins of chocolate, the challenges faced by cacao farmers, and the importance of ethical consumption are helping to create a more informed and conscientious market. Events such as chocolate festivals, workshops, and tastings provide opportunities for people to engage with chocolate in new and meaningful ways. Despite its long history and widespread popularity, chocolate remains a subject of endless fascination and discovery. From its ancient origins to its modern-day incarnations, chocolate has captivated the hearts and taste buds of people around the world. Its rich cultural heritage, complex production process, and the sheer joy it brings to those who consume it ensure that chocolate will continue to be cherished for generations to come. In conclusion, chocolate is much more than just a delicious treat. It is a product with a profound and varied history, a significant cultural impact, and an evolving future. The journey of chocolate from the ancient Mesoamerican civilizations to the present day is a testament to its enduring appeal and the human ingenuity that has shaped its development. Whether enjoyed as a simple bar, a luxurious truffle, or a comforting cup of hot cocoa, chocolate continues to be a source of pleasure and fascination, loved by people of all ages around the world. Its legacy is one of innovation, cultural significance, and timeless enjoyment. If you enjoyed this video about chocolate, please like, share, and subscribe. This helps us to continue making videos like this for everyone.